nyo doon sa computer. Okay po? Tandaan. Hi, my name is
Button sa Elastina. Button sa Elastina.
Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I'm Hi everyone, my name is Princess Ganel Pinakaba and I'm running for Panamalong. Sino ba alam?
Button sa Elastina.
Hi, my name is Andrea I'm running for grade 3 representative. Oh, tandaan niyo siya. Doon kayo boboto kung sino gusto niyo, ha? I'm running for grade 4 representative. Okay. Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Adina Jayla Amunda. I'm running for grade 5 representative. Hi, we are the Incredible and the Incredible Kids. I for inspiration. And for life. C creative. R remarkable. E for incredible. D for